HiiLife Radio down here at the Renaissance Center. Navy boat just pulled up. Everybody out taking pictures. Say hello, fellas.
Hello. Hello, bloody well.
Ultrasound in the building.
That's right, that's right.
Franchise in the building.
Turn my phone around.
Straight up the airplane.
Because I can't
What?
Straight up the airplane.
come around.
What?
I'm videotaping myself, being videotaped by Lady L and by HiiLife. Because I'm going over here to get on this boat. I'm going to swim over here like man of honor. I'm going to dive in here on some Cuba goodness. One good leg.
Retarded. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see me. There I go. Peace. What up? Your girl, Lady L, HiiLife Radio. We out here. Cheer.
Okay, now I'm actually in this new era, as y'all can see here, right behind me. You got the Navy ship here, bro.
HiiLife. Got my son with me. Say hi, man.
Milwaukee, is it? USS Milwaukee?
I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it's definitely a battleship. HiiLife Radio, Worldwide Core Radio.
Right here, but hey, that would go viral if I fail. We'll slide down.
You want to slide down?
Come on, let's try it. My sis got the best of me. I'm not that easy on viral. Let me try one more time.
Oh, look at there, the franchise. Slide down the pole. Think he can do something out here.
We might try one more time to see if I fall.
Worldwide Core Radio in the building. It's a beautiful day out. I'm dressed in just a sweater, y'all. You know it's nice. I got to get a full-length picture of this boat, though. I think they said it's the Milwaukee.
We down here, man. But for now, man, since I'm down here, we just gonna call that one the HiiLife.
It's a massive ship, y'all.
I think that shit broke a little bit.
It's not broke.
It got little shit inside of it.
Yeah, you see that? That's how they do, man. This is going on HiiLife Radio YouTube page.
What's the deal?
Make sure y'all tune in every Thursday. We on the air, rocking it out.
Look at me just acting just cold true whatever now. Just acting just cold true, just like I ain't got
Well,
no
you
sense.
know.
I ain't got no sense around all this. I got my sense look on, but I ain't got my sense look attitude on.
Why don't you ask the U.S. Coast Guard which boat this is? Go ahead, start it. Spark an interview. Right down the spot. Let's go.
Oh, okay. As we stand here, we are down here live, broadcasting from HiiLifeRadio.com. As you see behind us here, this is the USS Milwaukee. I want to confirm that here. Probably want to ask one of the Coast Guard guys later, but I'm going to assume that, my 99.9% correctness pretty much let you guys know this is the USS Milwaukee. Take a look. Like you can see the little fireboat, tugboat, whatever that is. Little tiny
The
thing.
fireboat, tugboat.
Little tiny thing over there was making its way. But yeah, as we continue to broadcast, hey, excuse me, guys. Got one of the Coast Guard guys here. This is the USS Milwaukee, correct?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is this a drill or
A port call.
a port call? Okay, so this is Port Detroit. Okay, can you tell us some of the lingo that they're using? Why are they saying those things?
He's going to throw on the heaving lines over here so they can moor up.
Oh, okay.
Yep. That line right there, he's going to try and get that over here. I'll be impressed if he does, but trust me, they heard when they hit you.
The yellow line with the red ball is attached
okay.
to the actual line to moor the actual boat.
So so if that red ball came over and made a mistake and hit over here and it hit me and the video, this thing would go viral. That would be awesome. You guys would be like,
They are giving the appropriate call.
okay.
Tell you
so
about that. Just do us a favor though. Just kind of back up
we're
a
just
little
gonna
bit.
back up. No, we don't want to take a chance. Not that person going viral today. Excuse me.
Let's see who got them arms though. Who can swing that thing all the way over here?
Is that what they're trying to get us right
Yep,
here?
he has to try and get that ball all the way over here so they can
It
catch
has to
it.
be like a shot put thing.
Oh, you ain't got no good catchers over here. That's one of the problems over here.
What team does he play for?
So not the Pistons, the Heat. It's the Heat.
This is so
Okay,
awesome.
we're gonna try this wing one more time. This looks like an awesome game. Love to be a part of this. I can just, I can kind of imagine the side bets, you know, like.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Oh, man. Come on.
You know somebody's getting some grief.
There are a
when
lot
they're
of
not,
six packs and taco dinners and lunch
They got it
specials
over
on
here.
They take you 6 times.
Yep, that's a cool 6-pack.
Yeah. Milwaukee, did you say?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that was real close. That was real close.
Then they bring the rope around, tap around there, and secure the boat right there. That's what they're trying to do.
Okay. So have you ever had the chance to do this?
No, I was Army.
Oh, you were Army, so you didn't have a chance to get on any of the Navy boats?
No. All I did was direct them where they had to fire. That's why I never got a chance to get on the boat.
Oh, okay. So yeah, this will be a first for exhibits if we can get him over here actually on the USS Milwaukee. Well, we're going to tune right in and cut to the video of Lord Sheffield giving us his update on the USS Milwaukee.
HiiLife Radio broadcasting live from the Detroit Riverwalk, USS Milwaukee. Had a port call here in Detroit, Michigan. We are the first and only radio station down here broadcasting currently. How awesome is this? USS Milwaukee.
I'm trying to get him on there right now.
The first and only radio station broadcasting live.
Yeah, only station doing live broadcast down here at the USS Milwaukee. Hello. Hey, what up, bro? Hey, what's up, man? We got. Yeah, I was down here. I didn't know if. Yeah, I thought the video thing had come through. Down here at the Port Detroit, man, they got this USS Milwaukee, this ship down here. You heard me? Yeah, man. Yeah, I was trying to. Yeah, this down here in the city, down here at Port Detroit, down here at the riverfront. Yeah, and we're doing a little video call,
A live broadcast.
Yep, I'm actually doing a video cast right now. That's the only reason I called you on the video thing. I was like, man, let me get him on here, get some of this exclusive, you know what I'm saying, direct exclusive Navy, you know what I'm saying, intel right here. So what a USS Milwaukee, what? Yeah, we on online right now. What that USS Milwaukee, where is that coming from, you know? Oh, okay. They're doing something called the port. He said a port call. The Coast Guard guy said a port call. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, he said they're doing like a port call. Can you hear me? A port call. Okay. Yeah, I'm listening. I can hear you. Yep, I hear you.
Take still pictures of everything. All I have to do is video. Somebody take pictures. girl, Lady L, filming. You can catch us live on Thursdays from 6 to 8 p.m. Make sure you guys tune in. We have a lot of good stuff going on. As you can see, we are the first to see many exclusives here and only here at HiiLife Radio. Alright, y'all. It's your girl, Lady L, signing out. Peace.